All right, so what up? How you guys doing? It's Saturday, and I've got a great video for you here. Even though I struck out on Travis Scott 1s this morning, I'm not letting it bother me. I'm not letting it ruin my day. Positive vibes, on to the next sneaker, even though I really wanted those. To be continued with the Travis Scott 1s. But anyway, this video right here, great stuff. Literally like 6 or 7 pairs of sneakers I've gotten in over the past couple weeks. I got a nice package from Puma, something from Adidas. I copped a pair off the Sneakers app. I found something on sale from Finish Line. Crazy deals I got that I'm gonna show you in this video. So you know the deal. If I got a lot of stuff to get into, then the intro is gonna be shorter, so let's do it. So where do I start? I had to check these things out ASAP, so as soon as they showed up at my front door, I was like digging into the package. We got 2 things in from the Eric Emanuel and Adidas collaboration. I thought this whole collection was so dope and perfectly timed. A lot of floral vibes going on with this collection. I'm diving right into this sneaker. This is the Rivalry RM Eric Emanuel edition. It's their classic Rivalry sneaker, but with Boost added to it. The materials on this sneaker are insane. Nothing cheap about this. It's got this premium nubuck on the upper, and when I say premium, I mean it. This has got to be some of the nicest nubuck I've seen on an Adidas sneaker. Like, this is what you want. The inner lining is pink with floral hits, and it's got these forest green laces, and I can't spend much time on this sneaker because I have so much stuff to show you guys, but this is really nice. There's another pair of Rivalry sneakers within the collection, and they have this all over floral print. So I don't have those for you here, but I got the sandals that are even better in my opinion. These are some of the best sandals that I've seen in a minute. It's got that all over floral print that I was talking about in like this lightish tan color, dust bag included with both of the footwear items, and I'm not done with this collection. There's one other thing that I gotta show you guys. It is the sweatshirt. Here you go with a quick look at this sweatshirt. I know I'm rushing through this, but I got a lot to show you guys. I didn't know that it had the number 3 stitched in on the back there. That's really cool. You can see that floral print on that number 3 as well. And then the Eric Emanuel and Adidas Originals logo up top. This is kind of like a mock neck. You can certainly see the luxury athletic sportswear type vibe that Eric Emanuel puts out with a lot of his products. So nice to see that same inspiration carry over with the work that he's done with Adidas. I think it's really cool that Adidas is working with them, and I hope they continue to drop stuff. I gotta get some just regular Eric Emanuel shorts. They're a little bit pricey, but they're probably worth it. Okay, next up I got something from Ralph Lauren that a lot of you probably saw in my spring lookbook. This is for sure one of my favorite springtime jacket pickups that I got this year, and this spring has been amazing. It's been like mid 60s for the past week or so, maybe a little bit lower than that, so you can definitely wear lightweight jackets and sweatshirts, and that's my ideal type of weather. Even though it's flashy with the polo across the front, this is not going to go out of style because of how strong of a brand Polo is. If it said something different, if it said like Palace right across the front, I'd be like, okay, this is only gonna last me maybe the next couple years or however long that Palace is relevant. This Polo design, not going anywhere. Okay, next up, more sneakers. You guys have seen these on my Instagram a lot recently, but I haven't featured them in a video. So this is a more affordable Jordan Retro pickup. We got some 1 lows. We got that golden yellow and that red popping on this sneaker. This is an excellent spring and summertime shoe. And honestly, I was never really into Jordan 1 lows, like not at all, until I got this pair. They're kind of different than most other ones. The tongue is a little bit more padded and the entire shoe is suede. You probably get some Nike SB vibes from this sneaker, and that's exactly what they are going for. They want you to skateboard in these joints, and I may do that, but I just wanted to wear them casually first. Quality-wise, the suede isn't anything nice, so if you're expecting some buttery stuff, you may be let down. And also the toe box and this mid panel here, it's more of like a gray or a sail color than it is a white. So don't let pictures deceive you. If you're not into that, then don't get them. But a lot of the lows recently have been catching my eye, and I'm glad I picked these things up. I got them from Finish Line, and there's a lot of stuff I got from Finish Line recently that I'm gonna show you in this video. So let's dive into more of that. Okay, so before I get into this Finish Line stuff, I wanna show you a piece of jewelry. A lot of you guys have been asking me recently about my chain, what watches I wear. A lot of like accessory and jewelry questions have been asked. So fittingly, this custom jewelry brand reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to include one of their items in a video. So this is sponsored by them. The brand is called the W Brothers, and they made me a custom pendant. So they reached out and said, hey, we customize pieces, and I thought it was a really cool idea. I checked out their website and I was pretty impressed with what they offered. So I said, hey, you can go ahead and make me a W pendant. If I get it in and I like it, I'll include it in a video. So I did like it. That's why I'm showing it to you guys here. So if you've got your own brand or your own logo, or you just want your initials or whatever it is, they will make you a custom piece showcasing that. And the turnaround is actually pretty quick. They work with you on your logo or whatever you want. The customer service is really good. I wouldn't be plugging them if I didn't think that. And I like how this W pendant turned out. So if you want to customize your own jewelry piece or just buy something that they have on the website, there's a promo code linked down in the description, and you can check that out. Get your own piece for 15% off. So I think it's a pretty good deal, and this is not crazy expensive either. It's just north of $100 for a lot of like the more simple stuff. There are some that are pricier, but you know, I was looking around and was like, okay, these prices are pretty decent. So if you've ever wanted to customize your own necklace or customize something for someone else as a gift, you can go ahead and do that. Check out the W Brothers. Okay, so like I said, Finish Line has been having these crazy sales, and last week they had the craziest one that I've seen. I got these sneakers, a track jacket, a t-shirt, and that's it for under $100. So the total was $107, and then I used a reward and knocked it down even further. So really an absolute steal for this stuff that I'm gonna show you. These things were like low 60s, 64 bucks. And man, this shoe is just not something that you see go on sale for under 100 bucks. And here we go with a look at a pair of Air Max 97s for 64 bucks. Let me know if you guys have ever gotten a deal this good online. I see stuff like this pop up at outlets, on the hash wall or whatever it is, but never from like Finish Line or Eastbay or Foot Locker. I thought this combo was really cool with this burgundy maroon color mixing with this purplish blue. It's just not something you see very often. So had to share these with you guys. My Air Max collection continues to grow, and these are not the only pair of 97s in this video, but I got a couple more clothing items from Finish Line that I'm gonna show you right now. How about 25 for this track jacket? Retail was 100, I got it for 25, 75% off. It's this white, navy, and orange track jacket. Actually, it's more of like a reddish color, and I like it better in person than I did online, which is really nice and refreshing to see, because sometimes you get stuff in and you're like, ah, it looked better online. It's actually the opposite with this jacket. Clearly, Finish Line was doing some spring cleaning, and I took full advantage. Oh, there's actually a t-shirt. So this t-shirt was 10 bucks, and I have pretty low expectations for how this thing is gonna look. I may not like it at all, but I really couldn't resist $10 for it. It's a dry fit t-shirt with a bottom view of a basketball hoop and a blue sky behind it. I thought it was nice. Like, I really don't have a ton of graphic t-shirts, but I've been trying to change that. Last year I was so focused on basic t-shirts. This year I'm trying to grab a few more graphic tees. This is the type of tee that I'll actually wear underneath a plaid shirt. I don't know if I just want this logo right in front. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Who knows? Let me know what you guys think about this. 10 bucks though. Okay, I gotta be quicker, but I still have some stuff to get to. A pair of Nikes and this package from Puma that I've been dying to check out. I actually haven't even broke into it yet, but we're gonna do that right now together. So I believe that, oh no, this is not from Puma. This is not from Puma. This is from Clark's. I don't even want to get into this. Sorry. Hold on. My bad. Sorry about that. I'll show that Clark's package at another time. These are from Puma, and I know I'm going to like these joints. I've seen pictures online. I saw a lot of people wearing them, and I was like hoping that they would send them my way. Thankfully, they did. Shout out to my man JR over at Puma. Always holds me down, and he knows the good stuff that I'm gonna like. Actually, wow, this is not exactly what I was expecting. I thought maybe it was just gonna be the shoe in here, but we got this cool tote bag, duffel bag type thing, and wow, this is a nice touch. This is really cool. Oh shit, this is dope, man. I was not expecting there to be a basketball in here. That's sick. Puma basketball, nice. I actually needed a new ball, so this thing is gonna be perfect. And then next we got a little terry towel, maybe a little sweat rag. While you're hooping, you can wipe yourself down. And what's this? We got a Ralph Sampson basketball card. That's a nice touch right there, man. Damn. This is quality. This is nice leather quality. This is good to see, man. This is what you want to have on your sneakers. I'm not trying to cross promote between Adidas and Puma, but those Adidas sneakers, nice quality. These Puma sneakers, really nice quality. So, you know, they're picking up the slack where Nike has been lacking. Puma and Adidas can really take advantage by using nice quality materials. This is a classic from the Puma archive right here. 1985, these things first dropped. This right here is the definition of clean. A lot of people throw clean around to describe sneakers, and some people think it just has to be like a white on white Air Force One or a solid color shoe. Nah, that's clean. A good color combination like a navy, white, and a gray, and then a smooth silhouette. So nice job by Puma on these things, and I gotta throw these on ASAP. But this package right here, man, this is one of the cooler packages I've received in a while. I'm definitely gonna shoot around with this thing ASAP. The Uproar basketball sneaker that Puma dropped, that's been one of my favorite shoes to hoop in. We got one more pair of sneakers to get into. Let's do it. All right, so the Sneakers app is treacherous. Most of the time, I never get any love on that thing, like ever. And I'm not complaining because I know a lot of you feel the same way. You really don't get much, and I'm in no position to complain. I'm on to the next sneaker. Still heard about the Travis Scotts, but you know, it is what it is. But Nike decided to throw a gem my way with the On Air collection. Basically, all the sneakers from the On Air collection were on the Sneakers app, and then you could just hit notify me when one of them was gonna go live. So that's what I did with these, and I got exclusive access. I don't know how limited they were because so many people were able to get these. Not gonna lie, not gonna sugarcoat it. I was somewhat let down with this shoe when I got it in hand. It's the Soul Air Max 97, and initial images of this sneaker that I saw last year just looked fire. I was like, oh, I need those. I have to have them. And I was following this collection hoping that I would be able to secure a pair. But then, fast forward to like 2 weeks ago, I took them out of the box and I was a little underwhelmed. I still think it's a solid sneaker with good inspiration. It's just not the materials that I was hoping it was gonna be. I thought this could have popped a little bit more. It's somewhat transparent with this plastic material that they've got going on. But it's all good. The sneaker is still really nice and something that I'm definitely gonna wear at night. I feel like this is gonna be a good summertime at night sneaker. High cut black socks. That's my thing. High cut black socks. Let me know what you guys think about everything I just showed you in this video. It's gonna take me forever to clean all of this shit up, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was worth it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up for me on this video and subscribe if you are new. A lot of content is on the way. Go check out my spring lookbook if you missed that, and a bunch of other videos are out there. How to style bread 4s, that's already out. If you missed it, go check it out. I appreciate you guys rocking with me. That's a wrap. I'm done here though. I'm gonna put some tunes on, shoot some B-roll, and enjoy the rest of my Saturday and not be too salty. I'm gonna try. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.